In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit with Descript. To get started, open Descript on your computer. You can either jump into an existing project if you already have one ready, or create a new project from scratch. This gives you a clean workspace where all of your editing will happen, and once you're inside, the process is very straightforward. Next, import the video or audio file you want to work on. Just click Import and choose your media file. One of the biggest advantages of Descript is that it automatically creates a transcript of your recording. That means instead of editing only on a timeline, you can edit by working directly with the text, which can make the process much faster and easier to understand. Once the transcript is ready, read through it carefully. If you see words, sentences, or sections that you don't want in the final version, simply delete that text. Descript will automatically remove the matching audio or video at the same time. This is one of the core features that makes Descript so popular because it turns editing into something that feels a lot like editing a document. After that, use the filler word removal feature to clean up your recording. This helps you quickly identify common filler words and repeated phrases so your content sounds smoother and more polished. It's a great time saver, especially for interviews, tutorials, or presentations. You can then cut any unwanted sections by selecting extra parts of the transcript and deleting them. If needed, you can also split sections, move them around, or rearrange the order of your recording. This is useful for tightening the pacing and improving the overall flow of your video. Next, add captions to make your content easier to follow. Captions are especially helpful for accessibility and for viewers who may be watching without sound. In Descript, you can customize the style, font, size, and placement so they match the look of your video. If you want to make the project more visual, import additional media such as images, B-roll, screen recordings, or extra video clips. Place them where they fit best to support what you're saying and keep the viewer engaged. From there, improve the audio by adjusting volume levels and using Descript's audio enhancement tools to make speech clearer. Then add transitions or effects where appropriate, but keep them simple so they enhance the video without becoming distracting. If your version of Descript includes AI tools, you can also use features like eye contact, studio sound, or other AI-powered editing options to refine the final result. Before you finish, preview the entire project from beginning to end. Check your cuts, captions, audio,